And we're getting in more news. NCB Zonal Director Samir Wankhede has moved the Bombay High Court seeking relief against the probe into extortion allegations. In the petition filed at the High Court, Wankhede has stated that if there's a need for a probe, it should be done by the CBI. Priyanka continues to be with us on this breaking news broadcast. Priyanka, now Samir Wankhede, after the kind of allegations that have been leveled against him in the alleged extortion case, has said that if there is a need for a probe, it should be done by the CBI. Now, we are being told NCB Zonal Director Samir Wankhede has moved the Bombay High Court seeking relief against the probe into extortion allegations. Priyanka, what more do we know?
Well, yes, a massive twist in the entire investigation that is being carried out by a vigilance committee as well against the Narcotics Control Bureau. Now that Samir Wankhede himself has approached the Bombay High Court and he has now stated that any kind of inquiry that is going to insight in the matter of the consequences of the allegations in fact that are being leveled against him, it should be inquired, it should be investigated by the CBI. And he has filed a petition in the Bombay High Court, which we are expecting will be heard very shortly in the Bombay High Court as well, where the petition that has been filed by
Samir Wankhede, and he has stated that any kind of inquiry and investigation must take place by the CBI as well. This comes minutes before the bail plea hearing of Aryan Khan that is supposed to take place in the Bombay High Court itself very shortly, where the NCB was also going to produce their own legal arguments. But now the massive twist that we are seeing in the entire matter, that Samir Wankhede himself has approached the Bombay High Court and filed a petition that has stated that the investigation should be carried out by the CBI itself.
All right. So, a lot of developments taking place, and we're also standing by for the hearing to begin at the Bombay High Court, and Priyanka reporting non-stop on that. Priyanka, today the NCB will be presenting its argument, but yes, you know, as we put out details of now, Samir Wankhede saying that if this matter needs to be probed, if the extortion allegations that have been leveled against him needs to be probed, it must be done by the CBI. Remember, he's obviously extremely shocked and angry at what's going on, especially when it comes to his family also, you know, to an extent being humiliated. His family has also been taking up the fight on a personal level and has been saying that we will fight till the very end. Now, he's also appeared already before the vigilance team of the NCB. So what's going on that particular front?
Well, what we have seen is the 5-member vigilance team headed by Gyaneshwar Singh has been looking into the entire matter. They have been recording statements of everybody, in fact, who has been related to the entire investigation, including Samir Wankhede, whose statement yesterday itself had been recorded by the vigilance team for over 4 hours. And after that as well, we have seen several officers who have been called, and their statements are being recorded as we speak. Now, another punch whose name had been mentioned by Nawab Malik himself, Fletcher Patel's statement has been recorded by the vigilance team. So has several other officers who had in fact been present on the night of question on 2nd of October. Their statements are being recorded, and also what we have gotten to understand from the vigilance team itself is that Prabhakar Sel, who had also been called in front of the vigilance team, he has decided to skip the summons as well. He has not yet gone, although the NCB had stated that they will be calling him. They had called him, but as of now, he has not gone before the vigilance team. Another thing that we have gotten to know about Gosavi as well from Pune Police, who has been detained by Pune Police, who will also be called before the vigilance team as well, so that he can be questioned with respect to the inquiry that is being carried out in the entire matter as well.
Absolutely. Thank you, Priyanka, for that. We'll come back to you in just a bit.